time I had released in a newspaper declaring myself if BJP is serious with the issue, if they're going to implement immediately, not by promising, not just by promising, if they are going to implement immediately, I will ever ready to join BJP also.
Implement what?
You see, like what I had put forward with my, with my agenda. Agenda is not for me, it's not for my party, but it is for the people benefit, for the people's security, no, for the interest of the people.
ILP.
So one is ILP. They can use the same method that what they did in Manipur, just a single night. They can also do something with the boundary issue, put a demarcation. If they, if still this issue, suppose it still lying pending for another 100 years, if after demarcation, that's also is fine enough, because it is fully secured for the future generation. No, so as of now we know the fact that there's no demarcation. So Assam government from day to day. That's why I have full courage to to say these words. That even Assam also they don't have any documentation proof. Okay, if they have, they should have claimed right from previous years. So, but Assam they are adopting an own policy. In the name of development, they are capturing the land, no, and they are harassing people, especially the resident of those bordering area. So this had been put forth with the BJP government from Delhi. If they really want to take me to BJP, please fulfill this issue. And another important issue, to revoke the 2% CEA from Meghalaya. So I'm ready to join BJP immediately. If they also mean serious, implement immediately, there's a very vital issue.